Butterfly Racing, 15-second board up for the final time this weekend. The number one of Glenn Koldenoff, who looks like to get a good jump as well, but Herlings closes the door on Cairoli. Koldenoff with a good jump coming out of the first turn. Cole Olsen, I think, is down. He is.
Just don't do anything dramatic here. You don't have to win the race. You don't have to try to match pace with Herlings. Just stay where you're at and you bring this thing home.
And that is one of the Belgians, that is Jeannot, isn't it? Lapino! Get yourself off the ground! Big crash for Lapino, picks himself up. There's Simpson going through. It all came from him over jumping into the wave and then catching a deep, soft patch, and he's gone again. And, oh, Ben Watson! Off the side of the bike, just grabbed his foot pegs. I was about to say they're tied on points, the Netherlands and Great Britain. But with that crash, Ben Watson losing points and positions here. So Lapino, off the side of the track there, and then comes all the way down the second straight, and then re-emerges here, look. Wow, yeah. He has to make this pass if they are going to get docked 10 places, if that is the penalty, let's say. Is it going to be back-to-back victories for the Netherlands? Lapino has found his way past Carlos Sabalis. That's why there was joy down there in pit lane in Italy. Alessandro Lapino. Whoa. Heart in my mouth, let alone his. And Jeffrey Herlings is going to go 1-1 at the Motocross of Nations. He does it here in Italy. He has no idea yet whether it's going to be enough to give the Netherlands a team trophy or not, or a gold medal. Cairoli over the line. He still has no clue at this moment in time. He doesn't celebrate. He has a long wait. Oh, big panic rev as he goes through. He hits the line now, and Italy are going to be crowned world champions once again for the third time, and for the first time since 2002. Congratulations, Tony Cairoli, Mattia Guadagnini, and Alessandro Lapino, world champions 2021.